I have 5 years experience in journalism, and during this time I have a number of successful interviews with politicians, musicians, with singers and actors. And during my 4-year experience in local newspaper, I have developed important skills such as multitasking and decision making. I'm ready to do any kind of job, and I really need it.
Okay, that sounds good. But that's not enough.
Why? I thought I fit to all requirements.
Yeah, you really do, but unfortunately there are 100 plus more applicants on that position, so we can't give it to you. Everybody needs a job today, you should know it.
COVID-19 has destroyed billions of lives and put the global economy at risk. According to the International Labour Organization, as the number of job losses increases, almost half of the workforce worldwide is at risk of losing their livelihoods as well. Even before the outbreak of COVID-19, 1 in 5 countries of all countries with billions of people living in poverty could have experienced stagnation or a reduction in per capita income in 2020. At the moment, the economic and financial shocks associated with COVID-19, such as disruption in the industrial production process, falling commodity prices, financial market instability, and growing instability, they negate the already moderate economic growth and exacerbate the increased risks caused by other factors. According to the Minister of Labor and Social Protection of Kazakhstan, Birjan Nurembetov, during the pandemic, the number of registered unemployed increased 8 times from 26,900 in February to 219,000 in August.
In addition to creating jobs, it's also necessary to improve the working conditions of approximately 780 million women and men who have jobs but do not earn enough money to enable them and their families from escape from the clutches of poverty. In 30 of the 45 countries for which data is available, men receive 12.5% more than women. Globally, women wages are 33% less than men's. It will take 68 years to close this gap. Despite the growing participation of women in public life, they continue to engage in unpaid domestic work 3 times more often than men.
In April 2020, the United Nations issued a framework for immediate socio-economic response to the COVID-19 crisis as a roadmap to support countries on their path to socio-economic recovery. The program consists of 5 areas of work. The first one, ensuring the availability of basic medical services and protecting health systems. Second, helping people overcome challenges through social protection and basic services. Number 3, protecting jobs, supporting small and medium-sized enterprises and informal sector workers through economic response and recovery programs. Number 4, guiding the necessary fiscal and financial stimulus recovery to ensure that macroeconomic policies work for the most vulnerable and strengthening multilateral and regional responses. And 4, promoting social cohesion and investing in community-based resilience and response system in order for young people to have the best opportunities to transition to decent work. Investments in education and vocational training of the highest possible quality are necessary.
How do we fight unemployment in Kazakhstan? Today, job creation is generated mainly by projects implemented within the framework of state programs, territorial development programs, investment projects, programs to stimulate the development of small and medium-sized businesses. Many students in Kazakhstan cannot be employed. Among young's unemployment, 27% have diploma of higher education, and that's a problem. To solve it, our President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev proposed to improve the quality of education, reform the number of sought-after specialties in favor of technical ones, increase the number of programs to support and attract young professionals to small and medium-sized businesses.
To promote employment, there is a Career and Professional Development Center, which ensures the involvement of employers in holding various events at the university, in order to inform students and graduates of KazNU about employment opportunities and professional internships. Faculties ensure constant communication with the labor market through employer councils formed from among the graduates of the faculty. The faculty management determines the powers and work plan of the employer's council independently, based on the current and strategic tasks facing the faculty.